all know why we are here. And this is really not just about CapeNature, but it's more about Warrior and Wheels and the amazing work that they do. And we've been fortunate enough to partner with them as CapeNature. And we wanted to use this opportunity to just shine a spotlight on that.
Deirdre has been here before and she's helped us with suggestions to make it better. We've got other differently able people coming in also, so we're trying to get better all the time at what we're doing here. So it's great that they're here today and to show you what we've done to support this sort of initiative that she's worked at. And we're hoping that we can go from strength to strength with things like this in the reserves.
Organisation that takes children with disabilities on all sorts of adventures. It had been a dream for a long time because Damien and I had done all sorts of stuff as we were growing up. We started bush riding when we were tiny. We always wanted to do hiking and stuff, so we always wanted to be able to share that with other families with children with disabilities. On a whim, I signed up to do the cycle tour, and with my excitement I was telling friends about it that I was going to do training with Damien and then do the cycle tour. And the idea came up to do it with Damien in a buggy attached to a bicycle. So we applied for permission from the Cape Cycle Tour, and that was in 2012, and they declined permission. So I went to meet with them and we chatted their concerns and how we thought we would overcome them. And in 2013 they changed the rules of the cycle tour, which the 35,000 entrance events and the world's largest time cycling events. We launched Warrior and Wheels Foundation at the end of 2014, and we took our first 3 children ziplining in series, and since then we've done all sorts of adventures like river rafting, ziplining, horse riding, boat cruises, museum visits, and basically partnering with the tourism industry to give children access to these facilities and encourage tourism providers to become more accessible. Just after we launched Warrior and Wheels Foundation, we had a stand at WCM Africa, and that's when we met one of the CapeNature partners, and we got chatting. We went to meet with them, and we entered into an MOU with them to visit some of the reserves to give our feedback on facilities at the reserves. And last year they sponsored one of our buggies, and this year they've sponsored another 2 buggies.
From my perspective, it's really exciting to see how the other work that Deirdre and the team do in terms of tourism accessibility and giving experiences to the kids. I mean, cycling tours is a big event and it's a huge adventure, I think, on the day, but there's so much more that's going on. It's really nice for us, or for me, to see. First time I think being exposed to the other part, the bigger part of what you're doing for tourism and kids and the people meeting there. So it's really cool to be here.
The question that I get asked probably the most when I tell people about what we do is, but how much fun is it for a kid to be sitting in the back of a buggy for about 6 hours? You know, that can't actually, is this really, you know, so such a good idea? And you know, from experience with it, it's, you know, it's actually astounding. You know, all sorts of people from all sorts of backgrounds, and God, the vibe is just